All right, boys and girls, we're starting a new chapter, and this is companion or from our companion book, the red one, the history book. So we're gonna go to page 44, and we're gonna read this. But I want you to think about our essential question. Our essential question says, "How can we describe where we live?" I want you to close your eyes, and think about where you live. I want you to go ahead and just think about everything that is around your neighborhood, the businesses, maybe the school, maybe the houses. I want you to just think about where you live, okay? Because we need to know exactly where we live. We need to be able to describe it. And this is our essential question. This is the question that um, answering by the end of this lesson. So it's important to know how to describe a place where we live. In this chapter, you'll learn how to use a map and globes. You'll read about places in your community and around the world. So if you guys look right here, we live in the city of in the state of California. So our state is California. This is the picture of our state. Okay. So we live in California. Okay. So let's go ahead and continue reading. What does my neighborhood look like? Um, Californians live in many different places. You might live in a city or a town or in the country. You might live near a mountain, a desert, or an ocean. Maybe you have palm trees on your street or cacti in your yard. California is a big state. Take a look outside. What do you see? California cities are big, busy places. There are buildings and homes to each other. There are many things to see and do. California has many small towns too. Homes and stores are far apart. There are a lot of nature in these pictures. Just like the country. Some towns are in between small and big. Homes and stores are close by. So, for this activity, I want you to go ahead and look outside. Where do you live? And go ahead and draw a picture of what you feel like your city looks like. Okay, so do you live in a country? Do you live in a small town or a big town or a big city? Okay, so if you live in city, like what do you see? Do you see businesses or houses? Draw a picture of where do you live, like your neighborhood? Like what do you see in your neighborhood? Once you've drawn your picture, go ahead and post it up on Schoology.